Hello children, we are doing class 9 science chapter 11 work and energy. Important question 3. First one, a man drops a 10 kg rock from the top of a 20-meter ladder. What will be its kinetic energy when it reaches the ground? And what will be its speed just before it hits the ground? Acceleration due to gravity g equal to 10 meter per second squared. And the answer will do. A man drops a 10 kg rock. So mass of the rock they gave. Is m equal to 10 kg from the top of a 20-meter ladder. So height h from the ground they give. Rock from the ground. Height of the rock from the ground. That is h equal to 20 meter. Then, what will be its kinetic energy when it reaches the ground? So, one property is the kinetic energy of an object. Kinetic energy of an object on the ground is equal to potential energy at a height. When an object was dropped from a height, the potential energy decreases and it will appear on the ground as kinetic energy. So, we are using kinetic energy formula is the, I'll just write kinetic energy formula. And one more thing is we need acceleration due to gravity also. Acceleration due to gravity g equal to 10 meter per second squared they gave in the question. Meter per second squared. Now here we'll write kinetic energy. When an object was dropped from a height, potential energy at a height will be converted into kinetic energy on the ground. Means potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. On the ground it will appear as, if it is rolling on the ground means it will appear as kinetic energy. So potential energy at a height is equal to kinetic energy on the ground. I'll write the kinetic energy and potential energy formula first. Kinetic energy formula is half mv squared and potential energy equal to mgh. Now we'll write the property kinetic energy. What will be its speed now? What will be its kinetic energy when it reaches the ground? So, kinetic energy of an object on the ground. Kinetic energy of rock on the ground. Kinetic energy of rock on the ground equal to potential energy of the rock at a height. So that will be equal to potential energy of the rock at a height is mgh. So we want to find out the kinetic energy of the rock on the ground. So that will be equal to mgh. Mass of the rock you know 10. G is 10, height h is 20, equal to 2000. Unit of kinetic energy is joule. So kinetic energy of the rock on the ground, you got 2000 joule. Now what will be its speed just before it hits the ground? So this was the kinetic energy. Now once more I'll just write kinetic energy equal to of rock on the ground equal to 2000 joule. Now below kinetic energy, we will write the formula half mv squared equal to 2000. Now it will be equal to half. Mass m is, how much is the mass? 10 into v squared equal to 2000. It is 5v squared equal to 2000. We'll cancel now 200. So v squared equal to 2000 divided by 5. With 5 stable you can cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. So it will be 400. Therefore v will be equal to square root of 400. Therefore v will be equal to square root of 400. Equal to square root of 20 into 20. Instead of 220 is 120, we can write 20 meter per second. Therefore, what will be its speed just before it hits the ground? That means the speed of the rock just before it hits the ground is the final velocity. Write here final velocity. So speed of rock just before it hits the ground. Speed of rock just before it hits the ground. That is equal to the final velocity v, which is equal to 20 meter per second. That is the answer.